The Thermo Expert. Smart thermostat advice that actually helps.
So if you're planning any home energy upgrade in 2026, pay close attention, because this video could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Let's jump right in. Because millions of Americans are about to make a very expensive mistake. Most people still think the federal energy tax credits that help pay for heat pumps and home energy upgrades are available in 2026. They're not. They ended, gone, finished, expired. And if you're following advice from an old YouTube video, an outdated blog post with the latest changes, you could end up thousands more than you need to. But here's the crazy part. The money didn't disappear, it moved. Right now, there are homeowners receiving significant rebates through state programs, utility incentives, and local energy schemes. Some households may qualify for incentives worth up to $14,000 depending on where they live and current program funding. And later in this video, I'll show you the rebate that takes less than 5 minutes, never even look for.
And if you want more money-saving tips, energy rebate updates, and smart home advice, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What actually changed in 2026? Let's clear up the biggest misunderstanding first. Most people heard that the federal tax credits ended and assumed all the energy incentives disappeared. That's not what happened. What disappeared were the old federal tax credits. Those were programs where you paid for the work first and then claimed money back later through your tax return. The energy rebate landscape in 2026 looks very different. Today, most of the available support comes through state-level programs, incentives. The rules have changed.
Let's start with the rebate everyone wants to know about, the Home Electrification and Appliance Rebate Program. And yes, this is the one with the big numbers.
That's great.
Depending on where you live and your household income, you could get help paying for
heat pumps, electrical panel upgrades, new wiring, and heat pump water heaters.
And in some cases,
up to $14,000. That's not a rebate, that's a used car, a family holiday, or about 3 bags of groceries in 2026.
Many utility companies offer rebates for smart thermostats, heat pumps, and HVAC upgrades.
oh, really? How much?
Some thermostat rebates range from $25 to $100.
That's great to know.
Popular qualifying models often include Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, Google Nest Learning Thermostat, Honeywell Home T9, and Amazon Smart Thermostat. Each offers reliable smart features to enhance your home.
We've linked all information in the description below, along with more guides at thethermoexpert.com. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe, because in the next video, we'll be covering even more rebate programs.
Discover expert advice on smart thermostats from the Thermo Expert. Get the Amazon Smart Thermostat for your home. Smart thermostat advice that actually helps.